What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube video. It's Andile. Don't forget to subscribe, post the notification, and comment down below, guys. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to play with slime. Here's the slime over here, guys, on my chair. So, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to play with slime, guys. But before we get into our YouTube video, make sure you subscribe and post the notification and comment down below. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. No, guys, it smells gross now. Why? It smells so gross. It's wetty, slimy. Oh no, guys, not at my mat. Because my mom's going to shout at me when I put slime on the mat. My mom's going to shout at me, guys. I'm dead. So, guys, I'm going to take cup toys and I'm going to put slime into them. Let me go take cup toys over here. So, guys, I got 2 cup toys, but you know that I have many, but just got 2 cup toys. I'm going to put it in there and it's ready. So, guys, I'm going to make sushi. Oh no, my hands smell gross. Gross. Sushi, sushi kids, sushi. Guys, my little sister went at nothing west. My sister went and I'm alone here. Guys, I'm going to take something. I'm coming. So, guys, over here now, I've got the baby and she's naked. First, I'm going to take slime and I'm going to make her clean. Yay! She's going to bath with slime. So, guys, I want to make a mask on him with slime. On her, I mean, to make a mask. But I'm just going to do it like this. No, guys, my sister ruined my thing. It's full of pains. But it doesn't matter. I'll clean. See, just like that. Just for a little massage at your back. See? You feeling comfortable, baby? Now, guys, it's time for her clothing. Now, guys, I'm going to make her wear. Okay? Okay, guys, let me just make her wear. So, guys, now, guys, she is nice and clean, and her outfit, it's nice and fresh. Now for her little dummy, I'm going to make the dummy. Take this, and guys, let me go fetch some water. So, guys, right now, guys, I've got the pot and I've got the plate and the kettle. So what I'm going to do right now, so no, guys, not at my mat, you little slimies, because my mom find out that I am playing with slime. She won't do nothing, but she find out slime at my mat, she will get mad. So I'm just going to light on the stuff. Let me hear that you see. Okay, I'm just going to light on the stuff just like that, and it's going to boil. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take the water. Okay, I'm done. The stuff off. Now the water is nice and warm. I'm going to put little guys. I'm just playing. Now, guys, I'm going to mix. Now for the bottle part, I'm going to take the bottle. I'm going to take, let's say, I'm going to take the baby powder. Now for the part of the water. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to close the bottle. Okay, let me close the bottle. Close the bottle shape. Okay, baby, come drink. Okay, baby says it's cold, so I'm going to take this hot water and I'm going to put it just like that to make it more warm. I'm going to put some slime in just like that to cover it. You see, since it's covered, I'm going to close and I'm going to put it at the stove just like that. Now the baby, I'm going to just cuddle with her. Okay guys, it's been an hour. Okay, now I'm going to, guys, there's just someone there, but it's been an hour. Now I'm going to stop the stove. To take it, get out the slime first. Okay, get rid of the slime first. Okay. Oh, okay. It's super duper hot. Okay, guys. Okay, the baby have to. So, guys, she's asleep, and guys, I'm going to cook for her. Let me go take the entire spoons. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I've got 3 things. Okay, guys, I can't disturb the baby, so I'm just going to put her over there. Just for a little slip. Got this yellow spoon. Got the spoon to fry. I've got the meat. So, guys, I'm going to just take her bottle. I'm going to give her. Now I'm going to put the meat in here, and I'm going to pour water, and I'm going to close it. That it can boil. See, boil. Now the spoon's over here. Set the baby's food. Okay. Can work. Take the pot just like that, and I am going to take the meat and I'm going to just put it over there. Okay, where can I put the meat? Okay, guys. Oh, I got an idea. I'll put the meat here. Okay. Guys, I'm going to get an extra plate to put the meat. So, guys, I got the plate over here. So, guys, I'm going to take. Okay, let me fix the camera. Okay. So, guys, I've got the. Okay. It's too dark, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to take the plate and I'm going to put the meat. I'm just going to put it over there. But guys, it's so untidy. Guys, my mom's going to shout at me, so when I'm done playing, I have to tidy up. So I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to just take the slime. So guys, I'm going to make pop for my baby. I'm going to do it like that. That must be the shape of pop. Okay, excuse me for a little while. Okay, pop's ready. I'm going to put it over there. Don't forget the water. Okay, now I'm going to mix. Okay, now I'm going to close it. Okay, at the stove. Okay, we are going to wait a little bit. Guys, okay, it's been 1 hour. The pop is at the stove now. Guys, I'm going to switch off the stove and I'm going to take the pop. Open it. Now, guys, it really smells so cool. I can't stop smelling. Okay, I'm going to dish for the baby. Okay, guys, I'm just going to The food is ready. Okay, guys, don't wake up the baby because I'm not done yet. I'm going to fry the meat now. Okay, with this, not this. This for the pop and this it's for the meat. Okay, but don't forget the water. And don't forget 1 chunky spice. Okay, I'm going to put it in 1 chunky spice. And I'm going to close it. But before I close it, let me just fry it. You see, light on the stove. And let it. Guys, okay, it's been 2 hours. The meat is at the stove. Now, guys, we're going to take it out. We're going to take out the meat. Okay, put the meat just at the top and 1 chunky spice. Okay, but I'm going to do little spices. Oh, okay. Ooh, I'm so dizzy. I'm not going to put it just right there. Okay. Okay. Where's the spoon? I'm going to take the cup. I'm going to do tea. Let me go take the ingredients of the tea. So guys, over here now, guys, I got the ingredients of the tea. So guys, I have to clean up first. Okay, guys, never mind. So guys, now we've got the cremora, we've got the tea, and we've got the sugar. Okay, guys, now we are going to take the kettle. We're going to put it over there. Light the stove. Now going to first thing you're going to put is sugar. 3 spoons of sugar. I drink 3 spoons of sugar, so my baby has to drink 3 spoons of sugar too. 1, 2, 3. Cremora only 2. 1, 2. Oh no, this was tea. I forgot. Okay, tea I put 2. Sugar I put 3. And cremora only 1. Cremora 1, tea 2, and what's this? Sugar 3. Now it's going to boil. Now I'm going to cuddle my baby. Let me go check my baby. Hey baby, are you ready for the food? Okay, you're done the dummy? Ha! You're so quick. Okay, come cuddle with mommy for a while. Oh no, guys, the tea is ready. Okay, you're awake, so your food's ready, baby. Here's your drink first. Yeah, it's nice, ne? Food served. Okay, guys, look at it. Another spoon. Are you done, baby? Okay, come. Oh, no. Okay, baby. Are you full? Are you full? Okay, keep some for later. Just eat the meat. Okay, guys, the baby's asleep and I'm going to put it on my bed. Okay, guys. Woo. Here's my bed over here, guys. And now, guys, here's my pillows and my blanket that I sleep with. And here's my bed. So, guys, I'm going to put my teddy bear over there, guys. Anyway, guys, look, guys, it's so messy. Oh, guys, I forget that here my bed, guys, it's so... See? So, guys, it's so messy and I'm going to clean right now. Okay, guys, I'm done cleaning. It's super duper clean. Okay, guys, peace out. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video. If you enjoyed my video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Peace out.